everyone, and welcome to Brooklyn Tea Unboxed. So today we're going to be taking a look at some of the items you can find at the store. Thank you, Danny. So you know what you can purchase online and right here at 524 North Avenue. So it's summertime, we're getting you guys ready, and so that means iced tea.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we have 4 delightful items here today. First, we're going to take a look at the to-go bottle with the sleeve. Voila.
Very nice.
So here you have this nice sleeve that is great for keeping your hands nice and warm because your hands be a little bit icy with the iced teas, right? Yeah. So condensation is real. So we're going to put that together. And here you have your nice bottle.
Very nice, very sleek. I like this a lot.
Yeah, I think the word is
Yeah.
So of course you have the top, which you would drink out of. Pretty simple. The fun part is at the bottom, at the base, is where you would twist. Okay, would you mind holding that? Sure. And that's where you have your basket, which has a little handle, right? And you would just pop that down, right, into your bottle. You would use your teaspoon or whatever to pour your scoops of tea into the basket itself. This is a 20 ounce, so you want to use 3 teaspoons at home to make you a great, delicious iced tea, right? And then you would twist that bottom base back on. After the little top water, let it steep. Let's say if you're doing a green tea, we always tell you guys to do it for at least 3 minutes approximately for most green teas, and then 3 minutes will elapse. Unscrew that base. Take out that tea. You might be thinking, oh my goodness, this is going to waste everywhere. Where am I going to put it? Do not worry, that's what you have the base for. Now it doubles. Could you hold that up for everyone? It doubles as a holder for your tea. So that's not going to go anywhere, right? So take that, dump the tea if you like, or store something like a sugar scrub, which we'll get into later. Put that base back on, put it on the ice. Oh, you can chill it overnight, right? So you don't have to use any ice. Or if you wanted to, right when that base is open, toss your few cubes in, and now you're ready to go. Awesome. Our next item here is our travel tea bottle. So very similar to what you saw earlier. We have here a nice mouthpiece, which is really essential for a good water bottle. I love those. So again, simple twist top for your drinking purposes. But the real fun, like the last bottle, is at the bottom, where again you will find your basket, like so. Put your basket in. This is a 22 ounce, so very similar to the last bottle. You can still use 3 teaspoons to make your iced tea. We're doing a teaspoon per 8 ounces. We're giving an extra teaspoon because of this iced tea, and because when you're adding the ice cubes, we want to take account for any diluting that might happen with your tea. Make sense?
Very cool. Yeah, very cool. I have a question. So how would these do with hot teas?
With hot teas, the answer is definitely yes.
Awesome.
Yeah. So whether you're in neck deep in December or you are like hot to go in July, this is the perfect gift for yourself.
Year round.
Yeah.
I love that.
Year round to go.
I love it.
So again, let your tea steep, add your hot water, and then when it's ready, same thing, take out your basket. We're doing this so you do not burn your leaves, so you're not experiencing that bitterness that you might have felt or tasted in the past because you left your tea leaves in that hot water too long.
I know that taste.
Yeah, when the green tea is a little bit too bitter, right?
Yes.
Take that basket out, put it in the sink or wherever you want to put it, put your cap back on, and get ready to go out on a town.
Awesome.
So this is the heavy duty one here. We have our big iced tea pitcher, all right? This is 1 gallon, huge, yeah, right? So with 1 gallon, you want to use approximately 1.6 ounces of tea. Okay? Here you will twist your top off, right? And you will find that it has a handle so you can easily remove the tea basket, right? You would add your 1.6 ounces of tea to this basket, right? Back in, pour in your hot water, right? For whatever time, if it's a black tea, approximately 5 minutes. And when that's done, take it out so we do not burn the leaves, right? Store it somewhere, put it close to your sink. Store it overnight to chill, or you can add some ice. Twist on the top. You're ready to go, and when it's time to pour, give it a half twist. Pour into a glass, and now you're ready to serve to the friends and loved ones.
That sounds great. I can't wait for this one. I'm so excited.
So we have our last one, Danny.
Our last product.
Yes, so this is our carafe, and this is a 50 ounce. So this is for if you're definitely serving a table of 5 or more folks. This is really great for them. So here, what I love is you have, again, this basket to help you lift everything away, which is really helpful so that you don't have to burn your fingers. Take that out, like so. And here you would insert your tea and add your hot water. Let it steep. Again, simple as just taking the basket out once that time is done with your tea. Put back on the lid. And then you're ready to go.
Don't forget our hand stir that we have here.
Yes, guys. So when you're at home and you're thinking, you know, I have a bit of a sweet tooth, I want to add a little bit of agave or sugar to my tea. We're not going to hold you back. We're going to aid you in this. And so this carafe comes with a stirrer. So
It twists on just like your secret. And you have a nice function here where you go up and down and it will stir your tea.
kind of like that for the idea of being added because it helps to bring
Like those flavors in there.
Yeah, right.
In there, yeah.
right.
For sure.
So these are summertime fun.
Yes.
Yes. So again, you can find these items at marketing.com. You can also find it in the store at 524 Nostrand Avenue. Feel free to leave us a comment below, and you can follow us